Hey guys, today we're making pasta, chicken and sauce. So let's get started. What are we doing?
We need pasta, our tomato and basil sauce.
We've already got pasta, don't we?
Oh, it's here.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, no, because the other stuff we put, that's like in the bottom of the oven. What, have they just had a poo? What's all that stuff?
Pasta. Food. We need 2 cups, that's how much pasta we need. We've got our chicken, we've got our thing, and we've got our water on boil. Not boiling yet, so we've got about 20 minutes.
Okay, in a minute
No,
we need to go.
not
Oh,
20.
yeah.
Only down.
Where have the arrows gone?
That's them.
There's more than that, there's a green one.
Yeah, I know, I didn't like them.
Why did you put them?
Oh, they are. Put them away, bye.
Like those ones you put them in the bin.
Let's. This could go really wrong.
Got to put 2
I'll
packs.
do it like this.
Oh my god, hang on, I'll pause the video when he's done it. It's been about 20 minutes already. The water's, so you can probably hear it's quite still boiling.
Right.
Are we ready?
It's not boiling.
Sounded like it.
You sound.
Oh.
You need to do chicken.
Oh. How much you putting on that?
A bit more than this.
That's already cut. That's already cooked, you know.
Yeah, I know. But we cut it up.
Okay.
Because you don't want big bits like that in your dinner.
I'm gonna back in it. Okay, it's boiling. Pasta. Hasta la vista, baby. Oh, my lens is steamed up. Hang on.
I don't know how long that took.
Put it on my t-shirt.
5 to 7 minutes. So it went in.
Yeah. I don't know if I've been filming it, guys, but the pasta went in. Because I was up in the toilet and Jacob done it. I don't know if I filmed it. I haven't done it. Hello, Neil.
Hi, Charles.
Hi, Daddy.
Ooh.
We're filming a video. Get out the room.
Well, it's a bit right outside now, isn't it?
Just a bit, but
Jacob, it's all going over again. When it goes over, I just lift it up, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll be pasta guard.
Oh, I've got the sauce ready, by the way. There's quite a lot of sauce for 2 people.
I'm gonna ask my wife, I meant to put it all in. Okay, back in a minute. Okay, it is meant to go back in. All of it in.
Off you.
But your dad said. It's getting quite steamy, you know.
At the door.
We lift it up, so it's going over.
Already, I just lifted it up.
Chicken goes in the bag. Do you reckon that's enough chicken?
Yeah. About as much as we usually put in.
Lovely jubbly. Chicken. If you're a fan of chickens, let me know.
Oi!
So I've got chicken breasts.
Viscount.
Oh, Viscount. What are they called? Viscount. Oh, it's going over. Hang on, back in a minute. And we're back on it. Woo! Spit out, guys. Sorry, extractor pan side. Is they cooked?
Next taste. I'd say that's cooked.
I'd give it enough a minute just to make it.
It
On.
says 5 to 7. Whoa.
I'll turn off the room.
Yeah. I'm doing this. Try.
And we're straining the pasta. Lovely. I know what to do with this. Can I do this bit?
What?
The shimmy it.
Yeah.
Filming. Don't turn the screen off after you.
Hang on, I can't see.
Do.
Yeah, that's done. Right, take this. Right, that ring needs to
I'll turn it off. Why you put it back on? Jesus. What the hell are you doing? You're frying pasta now. Oh, seriously, why you have to do that?
How do you think the sauce is getting warm?
True. The sauce and the chicken. Oh, hi. It's kind of window. By the way, Curtis, if you're watching this, I dumped you for a good reason. I need to get in the habit of bringing my tripod everywhere I take my phone. Except for at school. Right, I'm going to pause the video until we're plating up. Just trying to tell if it's distracted, guys. Ow. That's a horrible sharp thing up there.
Yeah, there is. Right, let's plate up.
It's all sticky up there, isn't it? Mmm. That's nice. I don't reckon we've done enough.
I do.
Oh yeah. Oh god, yeah. I didn't see all that stuff in the corner.
Do you not reckon we've done enough?
I don't know. The other one looks a bit more.
No, look, I've put little dots. That's like quite high. Look.
It just doesn't sound nice, does it? And
We can eat and then come out and wash up after.
I'll pause the video until we kind of washing up. Actually, no, I'm washing up for him. Hey guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll subscribe to you. Bye.